Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macaroni salad. First, let's get started with the pasta. You'll want to boil about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking together. Let it cool completely while we prepare the other components. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt for balanced flavor. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. This adds a lovely crunch and zest. With our macaroni cooled and our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer the completely cooled macaroni into a large mixing bowl. Now, pour that delicious, creamy dressing we just made directly over the pasta. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently fold all the ingredients together. Make sure every piece of macaroni is evenly coated and all the vegetables are well distributed for consistent flavor in every bite. Almost there. Once everything is combined, cover your macaroni salad tightly with plastic wrap. It's crucial to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley makes a lovely, vibrant garnish. Enjoy your homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.